Nougat is yummy. It's chewy and sweet. Making it at home is fun. You can share it with friends and family. Homemade nougat tastes amazing. It's much better than store-bought. Plus, you can add your favorite nuts. Let's gather our ingredients. You will need sugar. Sugar makes the nougat sweet. Honey is important for chewiness. Egg whites make the nougat fluffy. Don't forget the nuts. Almonds, pistachios, or hazelnuts are tasty choices. First, heat the sugar and honey. Stir it slowly. It will become a syrup. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg whites. Whisk them until they are fluffy. Now, pour the hot syrup into the egg whites. Keep whisking. Add the vanilla and nuts. Mix it well. Pour the mixture onto a baking sheet. Let it cool completely. Be careful with the hot syrup, it can burn you. Use a candy thermometer for perfect syrup. Let the nougat cool completely before cutting. This will prevent it from sticking. Enjoy your delicious homemade nougat.